Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is weigh-in day and there's a couple things that I'm going to be going over. I'm going to be going over the amount of weight I lost this week. I'm going to tell you how much I lost in total last month, this month, the grand total, and everything in between. And I'm so sorry about this lighting. It is so early in the morning. I'm just trying to get this video up for you. I have hat head. I'm sitting here wearing these adorable little purple terry cloth joggers, a tank top, because I'm gonna be, after this, I'm gonna be taking a little run. And while I'm sitting here, you know, Brittany is studying horticulture in college, and we have found the most beautiful, wait, let me spin this around to show you. Oh my God, my battery's gonna die, of course. Sunflowers that we're gonna be planting today. And it's gonna be 100 degrees, so we're gonna be swimming in the pool. My parents might come and visit. What else happened? Last night went and had a new manicure done, chose this wild purple color and did some glitter on the ring finger. I'm just so excited. All right, let's get to the video. So here we go. Paisley had surgery Thursday, which had made life such a stress for me. And on a normal everyday, let me try to fix this lighting. On a normal everyday life situation for me, it would have definitely thrown me a curveball. But this is such an amazing plan and I'm doing so well on it, and the results are great and the community is great, and everybody that's on it is just, it's like one big happy family. I have so much support for myself, you know, coaches need coaches, that I absolutely will not fail this. So I stayed totally on plan as always, totally focused, determined, loving the food. I did get a new box of Fuelings, which I will show you, I guess in another video. I'll show you some of the newer things I got and reviews on them. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I stayed on target. And not only that, I did have a couple of circumstances during the week that I totally could have been thrown off rail with, and I chose not to. So I am learning a lot about myself and how I have the power to choose, and that's pretty much it. So I'm too excited. Let's get to the weigh-in. So, how much weight did I lose this week, guys? Drum roll, please. Seriously? How is this happening? How is this happening that weight is dropping off every week? So I have my statistics here. I'm gonna read them to you. Okay, so let's go back. As you can see by the number that just popped up, I am down another 1.6 this week, making my loss a total of 22.1 pounds since April 28th. Today is June 30th. So I just completed my first 2 months on Optavia, and I have chosen to stick with this. I am gonna still lose some more. I still wanna lean out a little bit more. So here we go. I'm gonna tell you the month of May. This is just an average. You guys can go back to all the videos and see each week how much I lost specifically, but on an average, the total amount for the month, adding each week up, for May, I lost 13.6 pounds. We're in June now, at the very end of it. And despite the fact that I had that 1 week where I lost nothing, I am down 8.5 this month. Again, making my total, it's so hard to believe, 22.1 pounds. This is the fastest but healthiest way that I've ever lost weight. Even on keto, I lost 50 pounds on keto, but it wasn't like this. I definitely was missing a lot of foods in my keto life, and I will always say that because it's true. I have to put my arm on this railing here. I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything because I can have so much. I can add things to this plan that you know, on keto maybe I couldn't have. And the weight is still coming off and I'm still in fat burning mode. So I am just totally over the moon with this. If you are contemplating weight loss, and if you have been on keto and it hasn't been helping you guys, and if you feel that, you know, you're at the bottom of the rope with what you want to do, reach out to me. I became a certified health coach. That's right. I took my exam, I passed it, and now I'm certified. So not only am I a registered nurse, I am a life health coach, certified life health coach. I'm a certified health coach for the company Optavia, and it is in partnership with the McDonald, oh gosh, you guys are going to kill me now, I can't remember. McDonald partnership with health, nutrition, and weight loss, something like that. The exam was over 2 hours long. It was very interesting, and I have to say, being a nurse definitely made it a little easier. There were a lot of health questions, and then there were a ton of questions that you had to answer about the program, how you would respond to a potential situation with a client. And it was a fun exam because I love this. I'm passionate about this. So if you're interested in learning anything about this, contact me. I will be more than happy to call you on the phone and talk to you about the program. And I will be with you as your health coach if you decide to do it. And if you find that you think it's too expensive for your budget, I'd like you to rethink about how much money you do spend on food and beverages throughout a month. Okay, it's a monthly program, and if you sat with a pen and paper and took all your receipts for the month of everything that you purchased food-wise, and then compared it to what you're purchasing on Optavia, I guarantee you there's a big savings. And not only that, you're not throwing anything out. I will pretty much guess to say that a lot of you throw veggies out or things that you buy that go bad that you haven't touched, but I have to tell you guys, you don't throw anything away. Your money is well spent. Not only that, the community is fantastic. We are strong. We are there for one another. We are doing this together. So anyway, I will leave you the link to my Optavia website. You can look through it. You can order directly from there. But what I like to do is call you and talk to you about it first, because we have so many different programs. I want to make sure you're going on the right one. I will do a full health assessment on you, and then we'll choose the proper plan according to your history, background, needs, things like that. And then if you prefer, I can order for you. We'll work it out. You can order yourself, whatever you want to do, but that's how I like to do it. So anyway, I'll leave my information below. This is the week 8 or full. Is this week 8? No, week 9. I hope you've enjoyed following me through this journey so far, and we'll see where it takes me. You guys know I want to compete in a fitness competition. That is the goal. So I'm leaning out like crazy, and we'll be putting on some muscle very soon in the gym. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna get back inside and make my first fueling of the day, which I think will be a shake because it is doggone hot out here. And with all of that being said, welcome to sunny New Jersey. There's my ride. Isn't she pretty? The sky is blue. It's Saturday in all her glory. And yeah, just stay focused, everybody. No matter what plan you're on, keto, Optavia, Weight Watchers, it doesn't matter. It's all up here. Everything that we do is up here. We have the power to choose. We can choose what we put in our mouth. We can choose what we say no to. We can choose to reach out to a buddy, a friend, a coach. We can choose all those things. So just remember that. And I am here for you. If you have any questions, anything, reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to talk to you. All right? So that is it. Next video will be some new fuelings that I just got that I am loving, that I want to share with you. And then maybe some lean and greens and things like that. So have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend. 4th of July is coming up. Maybe I'll make a video before the 4th, some kind of motivational something. I don't know. We'll see. All right? And also, thank you all from the bottom of my heart for your love and kind wishes for Paisley during this difficult time, which it really is for her with her surgery. So anyway, I love you all. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Stay focused, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.